Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Formula Zero. Today we will learn about mathematics. We are going to focus on Shakuntala Devi puzzles. So let's know who is Shakuntala Devi. Shakuntala Devi was an interesting person. She was called as human computer, or she was called as human calculator. She can calculate big numbers, she can multiple, she can take roots of big numbers in between seconds, and she was a Guinness Book record holder. She got her record on 1982 and till date it's not broken. What she did, she multiplied two 13-digit numbers in between only 28 seconds. So let's see how's her puzzles. So here's our question. At first I tell you something. Mrs. Shakuntala Devi was someone who loved to solve real life problems. So let's see her question. One day Anupama was her daughter. One day Anupama, home from school, said a very interesting problem to me. Here me is Shakuntala Devi. She pushed a large circular table into the corner of a room so that it touched both walls and slipped a spot of ink of the extreme edge and said, "Mummy, here is a little puzzle for you. Look at the spot. It's exactly 8 inches from the wall and 9 inches from the other wall. Now tell me the diameter of the table without measuring it." So can you do that? I ask you to, can you do that? If you can do that, please pause the video and make an answer and follow our video. So let's see our answer. Here's our figure for the answer. In the violet color you can see the table, which is round in shape, and in the green shaped rectangular shape you can see the wall. We did it from the fourth side, but it happened in the left hand corner, so you can see 8 and 9 inches in the upper side of the left, which is the spot her daughter indicated. So 8 from the one side and 9 from the other side, so we can put it into the radius. So our radius will look like 8 and r minus 8. Similarly, in the other side our radius will look like 9 and r minus 9. So we got something r minus 8 and r minus 9. So we can put a rectangular shape with r minus 8 and r minus 9 as our lines. So our radius will look like something with two sides as r minus 8 and two sides as r minus 9, and here r is our diagonal of the rectangular. So let's see our solution. We are going to use Pythagoras formula into the new rectangular half. So we can do it in either half of the rectangular. We're doing it in the left half, so it will look like something like r minus 8 whole square plus r minus 9 whole square equal to r square. So if we break r minus 8 whole square, it will look like r square minus 16r plus 64, and if we break r minus 9 whole square, it will look like r square minus 18r plus 81, and r square remains same on the right hand side. So if we get something like, and if we arrange the equation, it will look something like r square minus 34r plus 145 equal to 0. So let's do some middle term. It comes with minus 5r and minus 29r. So our r is 5 or 29. So let's know which one is our r, because both of those cannot be our r, as those are pretty distanceable from each other. So here is some logic for r equal to 5. If r equal to 5 inches, it doesn't satisfy the figure because there are already 8 and 9 inch existing in between r and 9. Exactly, you can see in our figure we have 8 inches and 9 inches already existing in our whole r, so it's not possible to be 5. So our diameter would be r into 2 and it will be 29 into 2, that means 58 inches. So tell me, what was your answer, and did you follow me or you did it yourself? So it will be an interesting test and it will be a very good puzzle for you guys. So thank you very much for watching my video. Please do share, like and subscribe.